Hey, what's happening, guys? Today we have the Akaso Trace 1. It is a dual front and rear camera car dash cam system, and it is from Akaso. Akasotech.com is their website. There's the SKU. And it says dual recording supports front and rear 1080p HD. Single recording front camera supports 1080p 60 frames, so it must be 30 frames on the dual. Night vision. Front camera uses Sony Starvis night vision. Rear camera adopts Sony Starvis night vision plus infrared lights. Viewing angle up to 340 degrees. New concept and design. Built-in battery can work for up to 20 minutes, which is completely longer than the traditional battery, working a few minutes. Well, alright then. Nice packaging. Quick reference guide. So here's the camera. About 3 inches by 2 inches. If you add all this in here, maybe an inch and a half thick. Getting started. Peel the films off the screen and lens. Insert and format micro SD card. Connect Dashcam car charger to your cigarette lighter. Alright, we can do these things. By the way, this lists for about $100 on Amazon. It's plastic. It's quite light. There's our SD card slot. Alright, I'm confused by this. This would appear to be the bottom. Right? There's that. The jack, there's that. But it looks like the top, because I would assume this is the top with the buttons and the jack on the bottom, but I don't know, and we shouldn't assume. There is our USB cable, and it's a mini. Why do they do that? Suction mount. Oh, very nice cigarette lighter adapter. Not bad at all. And a shoehorn. Interesting. Okay, according to the instructions, we were supposed to use the shoehorn to pop out this nameplate. Then why'd you even put it on there? And then the bracket sides there. Oh, and the nameplate goes on here. Okay. Why don't you just do that in the first place? Why make it hard? At first here I was putting this thing together, and I was like, why would they put the USB charge jack so close to the mount? Because to put this on your car, and have it on your windshield, which is, kind of tilted like this, you're going to have to crank that thing back significantly. Then this is putting pressure on there, and that's no bueno. But when you're going to be actually using it, this will be down here like that. So that's not too bad at all. Alright, next I'll put in the USB card and USB. Oh my. The micro SD card. And we'll format it and we'll get it ready. Okay, so we're out in the car. All I had to do was put in a new SD card. That one I had there was just no bueno. And we're going to mount this thing right up here under the mirror. This is difficult to do with one hand. Okay. That looks pretty good. Let me hook up the power cord. I don't know if these outlets are always on or what. Yep, always on. Well, let's try the other one. Just to be sure. See what we get, huh? Yep, they're both always on. Okay. No problem. At least now we know, right? All right, let's take our drive around and see how things look. So the picture is quite good. It's 60 frames a second. The color is well saturated and, you know, extremely clear. There's not really anything bad I can say about it. And you know, in this day and age of everybody's watching everybody else, you might as well get in on the action and protect your own rear end by watching the people around you. You never know if you get into a fender bender or something. It'll get you out of a situation of a he said, a she said, when you can just turn this over to the authorities and, you know, there is no doubt as to what actually happened when they can see it for their own selves. Right? Okay, that's what I can think. I mean, looks pretty good to me. Nice feature here is that it records in 3-minute sections, so you know, if you're going on an 8-hour trip, you don't have to go through 8 hours of tape to find something. You can just kind of narrow it down and go from there. So there she is, the Akaso Trace 1 dash cam. Seems to be a really nice little unit. Does its job, makes nice recordings. You know, the only thing we really haven't tested here is longevity, and that's just not something you can do in an initial review. I will come back to this in 6 months or so, and we'll see how it's done from then. But, you know, till then, I got to give it a thumbs up. It's a nice unit. I'll put a link down below where you can grab one up for yourself if you're interested. So, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments, like, share. Don't forget to subscribe and ding-dong the bell if you want notifications of when there's a new video posted. All right? That's it. I'm out. Peace.